Hey everybody, just wanted to show you the latest ThawMaxx installed on a brand new 2020 Dodge Ram. There it is. There's the upper radiator hose. There's the 15 feet of tubing I provide you in the kit. Notice I put a zip tie here to help hold that while I went through the pain of coiling that up all the way around the upper radiator hose. Made a nice run, cinched them together right there, the hold. Routed it around the battery case. That way, if you ever have to change the battery, these tubes aren't in the way. They come right up to the windshield. I intercepted this right here. You can see I just used a zip tie, left the stub so you could see it. I just intercepted this line from the factory right here that was going into this elbow, and I put our new kit right here all the way down around the radiator hose and then coming back up and onto the squirters. And that is going to be warm washer fluid, right around 95 to 100 degrees, not enough to hurt the glass. And notice I'm doing this on a nice fall day before I get snow. Not hard to do. ThawMaxx is your ticket to never ever scraping ice again.